guys, my name is Rachel, this is Luna, and welcome to Rottweilers. In this video, you are gonna see our little water lover here, Luna, wanting to get a bath, desperately wanting to get a bath. And she was not taking no. So we hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Bye. What? I'm not turning the water on. What are you doing? Luna, come on. Luna. Luna, come on. Get out the truck. Let's go. We're not getting a bath today. Come on. No. No. I'm not turning the water on. I'm sorry, it's not happening. Come on. I'm sorry, baby. No. Are you throwing a temper tantrum? No. Bless you. Come on, let's get out of the tub. Come on. Come. What? Come on. Good girl. Good girl.